Have you ever wondered what makes a rocket fly into space, or how your favorite video game was created? The answer to these questions and so many more can be found in a very special word: STEM. This word is an acronym, which is a fancy way of saying it's made from the first letter of other words. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, math. These four subjects are like a team of superheroes working together to help us understand our world, solve big problems, and invent incredible new things. They are the building blocks of innovation, from the medicine that keeps us healthy, to the phones we use to talk to our friends and family across the globe. One of the most wonderful things about STEM, it doesn't treat subjects like separate islands, science class, math class. They felt completely disconnected, but that's not how the real world works. STEM teaches subjects as an integrated team, showing how they work together to solve a single problem. Imagine building a small robot. Science, electricity and circuits technology, programming its movements, engineering, designing and building its body, math, calculating speed, math, calculating angles. They all depend on each other. It mirrors how scientists and engineers operate every day. The best part about STEM education is that it's not about sitting quietly at a desk and reading all day. It's about getting your hands dirty, being creative, and learning by doing. This is called project-based learning, where projects feel more like play than schoolwork. One of the most popular activities is coding, using simple block-based languages, or more advanced ones like Python. You can create your own animations, build a website, design a video game from scratch. As you drag and drop commands or write lines of code, you are actually learning the fundamentals of logic, sequencing, and problem solving. STEM education is not just about learning facts for a test. It's about using your knowledge to make a real difference in the world. A core part of this approach is focusing on solving real-world problems. Instead of a hypothetical math question, a STEM class might challenge you to design a better, more efficient recycling system for your school. Research measure design persuade, you might need to use math to calculate the volume of recyclable materials, technology to create a presentation, science to understand the decomposition process, and engineering to design new bins. This makes learning feel meaningful because you can see its immediate impact. Another essential ingredient in the STEM recipe is teamwork, or collaboration. In the real world, big projects are almost never completed by one person working alone. Sharing ideas, dividing tasks, and combining their unique strengths, STEM education mirrors this reality. The world is changing faster than ever before, largely because of incredible advancements in technology. The jobs of tomorrow will look very different from the jobs of today. Many of them haven't even been invented yet. STEM education is the best way to prepare for this exciting and unknown future. The skills you learn in STEM, like critical thinking, problem-solving, adaptability, are exactly what employers will be looking for. They want people who can analyze information, come up with creative solutions, learn new technologies quickly. One of the biggest conversations happening today is about the skills gap. There are many open jobs in fast-growing industries, especially in technology, but there aren't enough people with the right skills to fill them. For STEM to truly change the world, it needs to include everyone. One of the most important challenges we face is making sure that every single student has the chance to participate, regardless of where they live, what their background is, how much money their family has. This is the challenge of accessibility and equity. High-quality STEM education requires resources like computers, lab equipment, well-trained teachers. We must work to ensure that schools in all communities, from big cities, small rural towns, have the funding and support they need to offer these amazing hands-on learning experiences. Every child deserves the opportunity to. Just when you thought STEM was the whole story, there's an exciting new letter joining the team, A for Arts. When we add the arts to science, technology, engineering, math, we get a new, even more powerful acronym: STEAM. This isn't just about making things look pretty, it's about recognizing that creativity is at the very heart of all innovation. The arts include design, music, drawing, storytelling, and more. By integrating artistic principles into STEM projects, we encourage a whole new level of creativity and help students approach problems from different angles.